Hello everyone, my name is Alok Sharma. I'm an interventional and structural cardiologist at Minneapolis VA Healthcare System, where I'm the co-director of the Cath Lab and the Structural Heart and Valve Program. Here at the University of Minnesota, I'm an assistant professor of medicine and VA Site Program Director of Interventional Cardiology Fellowship. I'm also currently an innovation fellow for the 2025-2026 cohort, and it has been an incredibly rewarding experience so far. As clinicians and faculty, we encounter unmet needs every day. But the reality is that most of us are not trained to translate those observations into tangible solutions. That's where the Innovation Fellowship comes in. The fellowship bridges that gap. It teaches you how to move from identifying a problem to systematically designing, testing, and validating real-world innovation. You gain a 360-degree view of how medical innovation actually happens. What makes this fellowship powerful is that it expands your horizons. You learn to think beyond traditional academic pathways. You gain exposure to engineering, regulatory science, intellectual property, industry partnerships, and commercialization strategy. It fundamentally changes how you evaluate problems and opportunities and how a solution fits into real clinical practice. A unique aspect of the program is that it is deeply cross-disciplinary in nature. The program encourages exploring unmet needs outside of the one's medical specialty because that's where some of the most unexpected and powerful insights often emerge. Fellows really dive deep into understanding the disease processes through weekly grand round style discussions, visits to the anatomy lab, and conversations with clinicians across many specialties. The fellowship cohort is truly multidisciplinary in nature and very collaborative. We help each other, learn from each other, and connect with the broader university and Twin Cities medtech ecosystem. And the relationships you build can often last far beyond the program. The people in your cohort may become not only your collaborators, but even your co-founders. So it is a learn by doing program led by an outstanding program director, Danny Sachs, who is an accomplished serial physician entrepreneur and venture investor. The program is supported by both mentors from industry and startup sectors. We engage directly in tools like PitchBook, cap tables, financial filings, patent databases, medical literature, FDA databases, clinicaltrials.gov, and various AI platforms. And my most favorite, a seminar-style discussion of Harvard Business Review case studies. And all of this while you are refining and developing your own innovation projects and pitches. I think for faculty, the fellowship can be transformational. It can help you craft a more interesting and fulfilling career. It can open new pathways for scholarly output, collaborative research, translational funding, and ultimately, a real clinical impact. Beyond skill building, it can also offer access to vibrant alumni who have launched various startups, patented multiple devices, and led translational programs. So if you're a clinician who truly wants to solve unmet needs in healthcare, this program equips you with the mindset, the community, and the tools to make it happen. It can truly accelerate your ideas, your impact, and your career. I'm always happy to share more about my experience, and feel free to reach out if you'd like to learn more. Thank you.